Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a cute candy. It is very easy. First we will draw the shape. Draw a rectangle in the middle of your paper. Make sure to round the corners a little bit like this. Next, on both sides of the rectangle, draw two wavy shapes. These will be the ends of the candy wrapper. Now add a face like this. Very good. Now it's time to make your candy colorful. You can use any color you like. Use a different color for each section of the candy and for the two ends of the wrapper. First we use parrot color, then we use pink color. Try to stay inside the lines like this. Very good. Then we use red color. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Then we use orange color. Color in one direction to make it neat. You did it very well. Then we use brown color. Try to stay inside the lines like these. Very good. Then we use black marker to make it stand out like these. Same here like these. And there you have it. Your cute candy is ready. Allah Hafiz.